Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a latest comment column with a date stamp in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you need to track when the most recent comment was added to any row, helping you monitor activity and stay on top of conversations happening in your sheets. First, head over to smartsheet.com and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, browse through your sheets and locate the one where you want to add this latest comment column with a date stamp, then click on it to open it up. Now, let's start by adding the first column. Click to add a new column and name it Latest Comment. This is where all the magic begins. For the column type, select Latest Comment from the drop-down options. By choosing this column type, Smartsheet will automatically display the most recent comment made on each row, which is exactly what we need to track activity. However, having just the comment isn't enough if we want to know when it was added. That's why we need a date stamp. Go ahead and add another column right next to it. Name this one something like date stamp and set the column type to date. This column will store the timestamp information we're about to set up through automation. Now comes the automation part, which ties everything together. At the top of your Smartsheet interface, click on Automation. From the drop-down menu, select Create from Scratch. This opens up the automation builder where we'll configure the rules. First, click on Trigger and select when rows are added or changed. This ensures the automation runs whenever there's activity on your sheet. Under any field, click and select the latest comment column you just created. Then add a value by clicking Any Value. This tells Smartsheet to trigger the automation whenever any comment is added to that column. Next, we need to define what happens when this trigger activates. Click on Select an Action, then find and click Record a Date. This action will capture the exact moment a comment is added. Now, select the date column you created earlier, which should be your date stamp column. Make sure to select the timestamp option so it records both the date and time. Once you've configured everything, click Save to store your automation. But here's an important step many people miss: your automation isn't active yet. On the right side of that automation, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them and select Activate. This switches your automation from draft mode to live mode, meaning it will now start working. Now, let's test it out. Go back to your sheet and try adding a comment to any row. You should see the latest comment appear in your latest comment column, and the date stamp column should automatically populate with the current date and time. This gives you a clear, trackable record of when activity happens on your sheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.